Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Google Drive storage subscription. First, open a web browser on your phone or make sure you are logged into the Google account that has the subscription. If you are using a phone, open the Google One app, then tap on three dots. After that, tap on settings, then tap on membership plans. Here Google will show you membership plans, then tap cancel membership. Now Google will show you a confirmation screen. Follow the steps and tap cancel to confirm. If you are using on a computer, open a browser and go to the one.google.com. Sign in with your Google account. On the left hand side, tap setting, then tap cancel membership, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.